Hello, I'm Angela, Sales Engineer at Dwyer Instruments, and welcome to this video highlighting the series CMT200 carbon monoxide transmitter. Dwyer's compact and reliable CMT200 can be utilized to monitor carbon monoxide concentration in applications such as underground parking garages, vehicle maintenance facilities, and mechanical rooms. The CMT200 is a simple and effective option for carbon monoxide monitoring. It measures with accuracy up to 2% full scale and provides a field-selectable current or voltage output that is proportional to the gas concentration. This carbon monoxide transmitter offers a measurement range of 0 to 200 ppm, which can typically cover an area up to 5,000 to 7,000 square feet. It is housed in a UV-resistant, glass-filled polycarbonate enclosure or an optional rectangular enclosure that features knockouts to provide multiple locations for conduit entry. Field calibration can be completed using calibration gas, a calibration adapter, and the onboard zero and span potentiometers. With proper calibration, the electrochemical sensor provides accurate readings for up to 4 years. If a replacement sensor is needed, Dwyer offers a field replacement sensor to minimize cost. To learn more or order any Dwyer product, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.